A quick video to show you how to record video to submit in the late Google form. So if your assignment is locked because it's already late, what you need to do is to go to discussions. This is an option where you can record your video. You go to discussions and you click create discussion. And once you have just put the name of the assignment that you want to record, just to name it, and then you click right here where it says record upload media. You click right here and click record. Once you are there, you have your video. You can record your video here by clicking start recording. It's gonna give you the countdown. Then you record. When you finish your video, you click finish, and then you click save, and you can click save. Once you have your video saved and published, you're gonna click right here, copy this link right here, and that is what you're gonna submit in your form. So it says here, video for content page, create a discussion on Canvas to be able to record the video, look at the frequent asked questions. So that's what the video is gonna be in the frequent asked questions right here. So you are going to open your late work form. You select the one that you need to send, for example, the video, and then you paste that link that you copy right there, and then submit, and I will receive your video. So I hope that this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.